Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your Google Analytics to your Google Merchant Center. Again, using our test site example, it's a pretty straightforward process in how to do that. You will need to have a Google Merchant Center account set up as well as your Google Analytics. And the fastest way I've found to do it is to come down to the admin area on the left-hand side, click that, and you can either come to the left-hand side under Property Settings and hit the drop-down under Product Links. You can select it here, or you can come down to the bottom right-hand side under Product Links and select Merchant Center Links. Click the blue link button. Okay, now we need to create a link between Google Analytics and Google Merchant Center. Select and click the Choose Accounts. And we're using the Cheap Camping Gear test site store as our example today. Top right-hand corner, click Confirm and click Next. And under the configuration settings, we will enable the auto tagging. It does help the Google Merchant Center talk with Google Analytics, particularly with the free products listings in your reporting. So keep an eye out for that. Just double check it has been selected. Click Next and then Submit. And the link has been created. Simple as that. And to double check the Google Merchant Center has been connected to Google Analytics, you can come back to the Merchant Center account, come to the top right-hand corner under Settings and Tools, select Apps, and we can see here the connection has been made. And if you're enjoying these videos, hit like and subscribe so you can keep up to date with all the latest videos I'm coming out with. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.